this is what it looks like in Molnify. So let's get into it and see how this works. Hi guys, Matthias here from Molnify. Today I want to show you a quick application I made to help companies prioritize projects based on a few criterias. So for instance, let's say a company has these projects for the upcoming Q4. So they can do a Q4 pricing update, a Subway marketing campaign, Christmas campaign. They need new furniture in the kitchen, they need to move to a new CRM system, and they need to, or they want to go on an autumn road show. So what to prioritize here, what to do first. To take care of that, I created this application in Excel, and in Excel it looks like this. Really, it's a quick one-sheet page. It has a few output boxes like this with some logic in them. We have a bar chart here, and we have a bunch of inputs. And this is how it looks in Molnify. So let's get into it and see how it works. And I'm going to start by inputting my first project here. First of all, I will type my email address here. And here I'll type Q4 pricing update. So what's the workload on that? I guess that's going to be high. What is the effect on sales? Actually, that's going to be low. It won't affect sales so much, but it's something that they need to do. The overall impact though is going to be big. This puts this at number 1, of course, because it's the only project right now with a high workload, a low effect on sales, but a big overall impact. And the score here would be 80 then. So now when I have done this, I can also add a comment here. This needs to be done. What I also can do is I can upvote this, but I won't do that right now. I'm going to show you that later. I'm going to go ahead and go to my second project, which is the Subway marketing campaign. So I'll type that in here, and the workload for this one would be high. Effect on sales would be very high, and overall impact big. And now you can see that this project has gotten 110 points, so this places this at the top of the list. I should do that first. And let's move on and input the other projects as well. So Christmas campaign, that's going to be a high workload. Effect on sales is going to be very high. Overall impact is going to be very big. So that moves that to the top. Next project is furniture, new furniture in the kitchen. So the workload here would be normal, I guess, and the impact on sales would be very low, but the overall impact would be big. Next project that I'm going to input is the move to the new CRM project, CRM system. Workload for that will be high. Effect on sales would be normal. It's going to be high, I think, because it'll be a different way of working. And the overall impact would be, it would be big. The last project I have is the Autumn Roadshow. I'm going to type that in. And the Autumn Roadshow is going to be high workload, but the effects on sales are going to be very high. The overall impact is going to be big. So now I have all my projects in the application, and you can see that it has sorted them all in this list based on workload, effect on sales, and overall impact. And I can now see that I really should do Christmas campaign first and then the Autumn Roadshow. The Subway marketing campaign would be on the third spot. And then I can move over to do stuff like move to the new CRM system, get the new furnitures in the kitchen, and the Q4 pricing update. That's last on my list. When I have this now, I can save it in Molnify. So if I click the icon up here where it says save scenario, I can go in and I can type projects for Q4 demo. Then I'll click save like that. And the good thing about this is when my colleagues goes into this application, let's say I reload the application so it's brand new from start, it's reset. Now they can go into this list here and they can find my different project lists here. So let's say a colleague goes in and they load projects for Q4 demo. The app will load everything that I inputted. Then my colleague can go in and read through the list, but maybe they feel like, well, Q4 pricing update, I really need to move that up the list. So they scroll down here and they go to the see where it is. It's here, Q4 pricing update. I want to upvote this, so I'll click upvote and then I'll type John. And now you can see that that moved in the list here, and it says that it's upvoted, yes, and it's upvoted by John. And you can add more upvotes like this, so this project will move up the ranks, so to speak. Then I can resave it, and it's resaved with the upvote. And this application, as usual with Molnify, it could contain any kind of text, any kind of colors on the panels here, the background image. Maybe you want different logic, maybe you don't need a chart here. This application took me around 40 minutes to create, and I think it could be a way of working for an office that really justifies the 40 minutes of work put into this application. If you want to go ahead and upload your own Excel file to Molnify, please visit molnify.com. Here you have the possibility to start a 30-day trial version of Molnify, and then you can upload as many Excel files as you want for free. We also have a brand new example page where you can list different demo applications and actually customer applications that we have by clicking easy, sales, visualization, database, advanced, API, and embedded. And for instance, if I want to go in and check out embedded, I can see that here we have an embedded calculator, and if I click this one, it will open up the web page of a customer of ours called Solid Capital Group, and they do investments for housing. It's a Swedish company, so this is their web page. But if I scroll down here, they have an application here that display interest rates and how much you can make from investing with them. This application also contains an email functionality, so if you enter your name here and your email address and click contact me, it says here in Swedish, kontakta mig, then the Molnify application will send you your calculation, but it will also send Solid Capital Group the calculation and your contact information so they can contact you. But yeah, this is a brand new page, and we have lots of apps here that you can have a look at. All of them are created in Excel, and I would say that none of them took more than 2 hours to create at most. We're going to be adding more applications here as time goes by as well. So yeah, that's it. Head on over to Molnify and start uploading your Excel files on a free trial. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at matthias@molnify.com or info@molnify.com. Have a really nice day, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.